Our van life journey continues this week as we explore some of the northwest corner of the state of Georgia. We hope you join us for the adventure.
Look, there's a donkey and sheep.
Hi.
Hello. Howdy.
Oh, you already got hookup, huh? Hi, pup. Hey, puppers. You're not friendly or anything. Good morning, you guys. Does this background look a little different? I'm in a car right now. We are with our friends Kevin and Stephanie, and they have taken us to a spot to check out. I believe it's called the Rock Garden, and it's a Seventh-day Adventist church. It's a little different. It's super windy out, so I thought I would explain it right now before we get out there because, you know, we don't have the special tools and equipment. There's going to be a lot of wind noise out there. Let's go check it out. And the temperatures have dropped, so it's a little chilly out here too. Our friends Kevin and Steph have brought us to the Rock Garden to check out. To the Seventh-day Adventist Church.
In Calhoun, Georgia.
In Calhoun, Georgia. The Rock Garden is a volunteer-built, folk art-inspired garden. Design and construction of the garden began in 2007 by Dewitt Boyd, who was later joined in his efforts by his wife, Joyce. In addition to the acre of flowers and greenery, there are more than 50 miniature buildings, from tiny castles to charming cottages, all crafted from stones, shells, pebbles, and other miscellaneous materials. This whimsical garden combines art and nature, providing a unique experience for all ages. What kind is it? What kind of snake is it? Oh, he's coming back. See anybody in there? Is there? The dog at the... There's some legs here. Well, he looks like Gulliver right now. You feel like Gulliver? Gulliver's Travels? With the land of little people or whatever? Well, this is fun. Some of these things we have to look at. What do you think? Will I fit? Oh boy.
One leg at a time.
Plenty of room.
Got it. Get you a pillow, you could sleep in there.
I definitely give it 5 bands. It was a good stay.
Was it worth $40 a night?
now it's time to check out Notre Dame.
I don't think the seashells are historically accurate.
There's not seashells on the top of Notre
Like
Dame?
big, huge seashells.
There's a bell in there. That's cool.
Oh, it's really blown out.
There's a few people in here.
We get to see the Coliseum.
Yeah, I like that.
Next, our personal tour guides took us to another unique spot.
Confirm.
Oh, Kevin.
No, it'll be fine.
He's going, taking one for the team to get a good shot, apparently. He's like, I do this all the time.
All right, we're at the Berry School's old mill. It was constructed in the 1930s. And apparently this is the largest campus in the world at 27,000 miles. Acres. 27,000 acres.
Action.
There were several movies filmed here. Remember the Titans, some of that was filmed here. And then a movie called Perfect Harmony.
And
So we've been hanging out with Kevin and Stephanie all day. And now we're hanging out with all the guys playing some disc golf. We don't know anything about disc golf, but we're getting some exercise and it's fun to watch them.
cave hole, it's iconic. Pros from all over the place come just to throw their whole bag, trying to get an ace on that next hole.
They threw their whole bag. Just
I mean,
take
not
the bag
just-
and chuck the
yeah,
bag.
chuck it over the hill. Yeah.
By the way, Kevin's a disc golf nerd.
I think he's a disc golf champion.
What would you call Kevin?
Maybe he's a disc golf legend.
Let's see how Steve's gonna do.
Oh boy, that was weak.
That was awesome. All right, see what you got. Oh. So this has got to be the coolest hole on the course. There's a cave.
I'm gonna throw one more. Oh, rolled all the way down, Doug.
Oh no.
Rolls back to the tee. Yeah, all the way up through.
Still too low. Dead straight though.
Yeah, that hurt.
Very smooth. Very smooth.
They ride.
Spit out. Are you kidding me?
There's Sasquatch!
Whoa, look.
It's for the championship.
Whoa. And the crowd cheered. Woo! Yeah, Steve. So apparently there's a dam upriver, and this alarm is to notify everyone that the water's going to be let out. We may see some water rushing through. I'm not sure.
Been going on for
Oh, I think Stephanie was making up stories.
I wasn't.
This was pretty anticlimactic. Where's all the water? She said she was here before. She says they were here before, and they heard the siren in there in the water. And you
Yes.
said that the water started like really rushing,
Yes.
right?
And we just walked right past the sign that told us, you know,
To
why
warn
that.
you.
Yeah.
I think she's making up
We
stories
almost
though.
got swept away.
Huh. Well, today we don't see anything. We're just saying we thought it was a false alarm. What do you think?
I think you bailed just a little bit too soon because there were some dry patches here and you could see how quickly it changed.
Oh, really?
Pretty well.
Because we waited.
Yeah, I think you just missed it.
So when we were in the water, I think we were down there where it was rushing a little bit more.
Already.
Yeah. So when the water came up and got even higher, and there was like rocks, so it was a little difficult to walk, it wasn't calm like this.
All right, when that disc golf is wrapped up. All that disc golf activity worked up an appetite for us, so we ended the evening at Freddy's.
Yummy. What's the Calhoun?
Morning, you guys. It's a new day. We're just getting our day started, having some cereal, and we're parked at a library. We're getting ready to go into the library to get some work done. Whoa. Check this out. Is this the biggest flake of cereal you've ever seen? It's almost as big as my head.
Whoa. Big indeed.
Oh, you can use it for a monocle. Monocle?
I recently discovered that I like banana with my cereal. Who would have known?
As we wrap up our time here in Georgia, we wanted to say a special thanks to Kevin and Steph for showing us around their area. We had a really good time. It's been nice because it's been quite a while since we've hung out with them.
Yeah, it's great to see you guys again. I really enjoyed getting introduced to disc golf. It was a lot of fun. Just learning about the sport, hanging out with Kevin and Steph's friends. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, that was fun. A few other little updates. We had some packages shipped to Kevin and Steph's place. I have this new jacket, which is perfect timing because it's really gotten chillier, so it'll be nice to have this to keep me warm. And got some new kicks, as you saw the other day, but here they are close up. They're a little bit different color than I anticipated, but not bad.
They're cool. They're raspberry flavored.
Yum. So, that wraps up our time here. You'll have to let us know what you enjoyed watching, and if there's anything that we missed. There's so much to every state. We only got to see like about that much of Georgia. We're hoping to get back another time. So comment below if there's something that we should check out in the future.
Yep. We always love hearing from you, so take a second and drop us a comment.
And we will see you next time. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already.
We'll see ya.
Bye, guys. How are we starting it? So we wanted to say thank you around their area.
It's great to see you guys again.
Had a good time.
I enjoyed that, and it's gonna go right to me.
Disc golf. You said you want to talk about disc golf. It's
It
been
was
a
great
while.
to see you guys again. I had a lot of time.
You had a lot of time.